Kador bar sinong wa lingkien kabelamat bun gijinge mentala arpos nem nakadaw jong kejingwan tuy ko jabo nak treatment plan jong kadam mau plang kabasam sanong ba silong bat kiwe kisnong klempep kan yo ya kejingkala hakawa rina kabade kawa kaba ajing mi kinong song sinong hakipor ba menchua kani ka kubor ka babha kalawan sakskor jong kinong kit kam kador bar hadien kejinge kendu bot menteri ketrat PG Umar Quis and Marak hakashitarik na wieng arjar pulai ubala pentim haki ba ketrat PG kaladep banyo pediang ya ka project ban penkhoi ya ka treatment plan bat ka bandai ru ka plan ka baper hakur kom trekam bat ya kani ka project ladep ban mang hadu khatsan klur tingka habakren sikilat pathai kubor hadien keji kendu bot menteri sarkar uba arbis starling do ulong keji kren kalong ka baseso namar layo ya ka jingkular no menteri sarkar bakmi ya ketnat PG
temetang singi wan banyak kendo yo minister juga PG haga bayai barka wa haga sinong jingi kepala penceklia dengan ka PG department na isnem ke bala lain no kepala pelat ya ka arpos nem tam ya minta te ngilai kran ru haga last meeting limba ke media ngilapan pau ya kijing jingi kung kipai ba hagi babun kiliang kilong kumegi kun semlaru barok kumnut kilai pani kijing kijungki haga bayai bar kini kawa tena kaleng kejungi ngem sim lasenge ngilai awan ru sene menta banyak kendu yo minister banyak keren begini kekam kabede bekicing bagi ngisnong te ngilai yo banyak keren ya ka jikan ke basutnat ka wana kaleng ju minister lo ai ka assurance ka ba na kaleng ju department hi la perkre ya ka section ka bakot ka bakharsan krur ye ka ba kene ka treatment ka baki perkre menta kalong ban nang penmi syu wat tang si khdiat ru ka jabo sya kene ka wa ka jungi ka bangi ngilai kendu jing bo skata tena kaleng ju ulo pentikna bala kumno Januari ya kene ke scheme un sepentri kam hosan warna kaleng jung uru lapan pau hi de bun sawan setega thang ke jungi se snong jungi ke ai ke bangi ngila ya keren mentah tingila pediang subhai haju urukam ba ngila keren ruba dakalong kumno unwan khnang hi hakaba nginyo banyak keren ya kene ke jing ka wala sa pending lagi posna mentah te nakaleng jungi ngila wan lang kumne borok kum ke member ke bai trekam lah hak snong tinggal semua publish bun pi borok kum ke pra member ke play ke por ke jumpi banyak trei banyak ba antar kam snong kam thau te nangai tangkat ni boleh sebut agak baik day buat kena kerja tenduk jangan tak boleh sebut
hatu pila sohun nama babun mapi pila mat kita post nama piong ba mdan bapet mo no hatu kena kerja nduk jepi kelas penhun hadu kanu kata asram semua minister IP ban penting kena kata
hoi nak kaleng jengi ngila menjur bar kila pediang ye ke jengkular ke jengu bat ngila ongru hu bala da nak kaleng jong ka department ye ke bakila kular ban le la rakim le ngila keren ru haki ba nakaleng juga senong kidon bon ru kibri ki banut ban le sprang ban yai lama ka an lemba ka institu ten nakaleng jung ulo ong hi wanu pele sta wanu pele ya hi badai ba kane ngi ki senong ngila ngi kum ka department wong ngin take care ya kane wanu plus lain nakaleng phi kum senong ba wong ru la da phi kum ka senong phim la ban ngai wong le nak department ban wa ki sisa ba dai ba kane menta tengi ru halo kata hi ngis ngom ba kala biang hi ya ka ba menta support tengi nyepet pat komun nakaleng ka department kinang le nang dismat
hakawai kaliang menteri ketnat PG ula pentep baya kani project kabala dep ban mang pisa on sakhot tanda bat hau banai klalang kot jong snam arjap saw on sedang ban penteri kamno.
Yes, headman of Wellington village has come to meet me. There was a problem of sludge being disposed of through the river which flows through their village. They were saying it has been issue for the last many years, 20 years they were saying. So I have informed them that we have taken care of this issue. Recently I have visited the treatment plant in Mauplang. So there I have seen huge sludge is being disposed of through a stream which flows through their river. So on my query in the department, I have found that a scheme has been proposed for that. That is called the on-site sludge management treatment plant. So this project, we got a sanction now. So we have got a sanction. The amount is around 15 crores, I think. If I'm not wrong, that amount is there. So we are going to float a tender very soon. We will be installing this treatment plant. So with installation of that treatment plant, we'll be getting another 2 MLD of water from there. So then there will not be any sludge disposal there in the river. So it will be solved very soon. This project is already sanctioned. Now process for tendering will be done. So after that the work will start. Once the work will be allotted to any company that will be working for that. That's what I told the headman of the village, that around by the end of the January, February, we may be able to start the project.
Congrats, Kino. We have a check up and
I not say Antia.
yeah,
Hila banet la shem tayoru. Sele yu dengan Islam kendian.
Islam kendian. PE, takadaw kolong kapakong san ban pat ya kapor.
Kalau ke badan kamban letas ya ke kemiswa bendap lai benai ba armet kenang ba ikelung enom yo yu kenyang HIV haka ba ikmi bat ikelung kenyo kecing em ka bakai ka bakya bat Islam.
Dor jong kapor.
HIV control.
Patas HIV ya lade haka bor ba pile check up ning fang haba armet.